Good morning, teacher and classmates. Uh, the topic to be discussed today is if humans have lost the connection with the nature. And I think that is true. More and more people uh, works in a city and stay there, and the kids grow there. And for me, their nature can refer to spending a bit of time on the street playing ball amongst other things, but the children have grown up with the electronic device focusing on their own world, which could lend them to suffer social problems and disease like autism or something like that. Because these kids playing a lot with Nintendos and Xbox and PlayStations, and which could let them suffer social problems or keen or some kind of attention deficits or tips produced by this technology device. Being shared with the natural could develop the children's pose more defense that those that are locked in their house like in a bubble state. As for the question if I would prefer to spend outdoors in the city or in the countryside, my always example, if we find ourselves in the city, we could discover or find places that bring us closer to nature, like parks, uh, areas like mountains or areas in a grand place. Um, bring us closer to nature. But if we find ourselves in a rural area, it's much better. We cannot move from one place to the other just to meet nature. We have to adapt according to the option. Uh, the other question is what benefits can you get from living in a city? Well, it's a many benefits. I think that one of the most important is the way to superate and to be a professional that in other place and can now get the options. And other facilities is the facilities to live there, and also will have many more jobs opportunities opportunities and get the best from school for my childrens. But I think that living a role I will not care either. My children will grow knowing what it is working on us and the novel works to produce food and works in crops. Other question is can urbanism be stopped? And it is a difficult question. And is there any way to stop it? Well, I don't think so because we are more and more people in the world, and more people want to live in big cities because they want to get ahead in their life, in their life, and here to lot more. And I think the only way to avoid the overexploitation in cities is opening a period of work in a real so that people can move in there. And other way to stop the overexploitation in the cities is uh, give crops or something to people to work in there. And the last thing I believe that you can promote this connection by creating environments that people will more often to go to discover the countries, know them landscapes that stop a moment and breathe fresh air and clear air, but more than anything that appreciate the wonder of the world and they're often to them. The other question, the comments is that I think we have to talk for this balance, and a balance is between the benefits of the culture and extraction, art, human relation, and the benefit of the others, beauty, relation, authors, mindfulness, holding in ours little that it does not like it, run away from the extremes and seek balance in the other way or another. Whatever in the city or in the countryside, we have to become aware that our future is linked to the use of a given resource, and we need to rating our way alive, and not to save the earth, that's too, but to save us, starting to connect with where came from, and maybe a good start.